Read the instructions.
Oh shit.
It's working?
It just shook. Hold on.
Oh shit.
Oh my god.
Alright, that's it.
Is it on?
I don't feel no buzzing.
Do you feel it?
Yeah. Ah! Okay, turn it off. I'm finna nut. Please! Ah! Take it, turn it off. Shit.
You gotta, Liz, you gotta.
God damn.
You gotta keep it going. Hold on, you ready?
I have to? How long?
So you can do 60 seconds, alright?
Yeah, it's the one.
Ooh, I hear that shit. You can deadass hear it. Like, what the fuck? Come here. Okay, now.
Oh, shit! Wait! I could have had that leg up.
You put that leg up. Woo! Turn around, turn around.
Buzz me up, man. I need to learn how to do a split. Stretch me out. Ah, okay. Oh. Alright, pause it. It's getting too intense. Pause it, you freaky bitch. The fuck? Pause it before I nut on this seat. Come on, please. Deshae.